Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you were able to catch my video Friday, in which we covered the breakout both Bank Nifty and Nifty gave us. And due to that breakout, we projected that Nifty will go towards 18,300. Uh, and as expected, close with a decent gap up open at 70,809 this morning. We have raced towards 18,100 and making a high of 18,115 today. And looks like we recaptured our 18,000 level, uh, briefly trading below that earlier. And looks like we're going for a strong close above 18,000. So since it's Monday, let's define the trading range for the week. We're looking at a support of 800, 70,800, and a resistance of 17,550 or 560 in that area. So these white lines are your Gann resistance lines emanating from these particular bottoms or support levels. All right. And we have entered this wedge here with its support at 800 and resistance at 18,550. All right, good luck.